Welcome back, guys, and what we're going to talk about today is how to effectively roll out your quads with a foam roller. So there's a lot of different techniques that are out there, but this one is really most effective, especially done right after you're done with a run, with your workout, anywhere where you're really using those legs heavy. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to target two different areas. We're going to try to target the outside of that quad and then the inside of that quad. So we're going to really hit a lot of that lateral quad muscle. It's called your vastus lateralis. Contrary to popular belief, you do not want to roll your IT band. You're not going to get anything to move. That IT band is so strong, you can literally attach it to a truck and that thing's not even going to move. So the big thing is we want to go a little inside of that IT band and get more of that lateral quad. That's where you're going to be able to be more effective in getting some of those tissue changes to compress that tissue and get those muscles moving. So when we do this, what we want to do is we want to work on getting our leg towards the outside. So we're going to find where it's nice and tender. Once we find a nice tender spot, we're now going to bend our knee up. We're going to do this for about 4 or 5 reps, and then you can work your way up towards the thigh. As we do that, we're going to work our way all the way up towards that pelvis, and we're actually going to get right towards the side of our pelvis. We're going to get right on that hip flexor. And when we do that, again, we're just going to move that knee, we're going to bend it, we're going to extend it. And the reason we do that is a lot of times when we just see people rolling on foam rollers, all you're doing is you're getting compression. Now, compression is good for blood flow, but it's not going to make any changes to muscular tone. And what muscular tone is the ability to turn those muscles off so you can stretch and move joints through more range of motion. So when we compress and then we move a joint above or below that muscle we're working, we're getting compression and then we're getting a shearing force. And what that does is that creates even more effectiveness to help get those muscles to relax. And that's what really helps to make you less sore and take pressure off of your knees, your hips, and other joints like that. So the other thing we're doing besides that lateral quad or vastus lateralis is we're going to hit the adductors too. So you want to make sure that the foam roller is perpendicular to those adductor, those inner thigh muscles. And from here, same thing, we're starting right on that, by that knee. We're going to get where it's nice and tender. Again, all I'm doing is just bending my knee back and forth. As I hit it 5 or 6 times,